Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex. This one right here, she's Mini. And today I want to show you this water fountain that I have to say that from all the ones that we have been trying, this one is by far the most impressive one. Just not only because how easy it is to actually work with, how easy it is to connect it, but also how convenient it is for your pets, for your cats, for example. We have 4 cats at home. So having something like this, which by the way, it has 340 ounces, 338 ounces actually. In this dual container, it has dual containers right here. You can also connect it to the Wi-Fi. You can connect it to your phone via an app. Everything is explained right here. Super easy and intuitive to use. Just give it a read, of course. I don't know where she is going, but give it a read, of course, because you're going to comprehend how everything works. I think she wants some treats. I'm kind of like thinking that she wants some treats, but I'm going to show it to you in a closer look and how it works, of course. But the best thing about this one is just with one click, you will actually oxygenate the water. With just one click, you will oxygenate the water. So that's going to be the best thing for your pets. And of course, it comes with 1,000 filters inside of this machine. There are 1,000 filters everywhere. It comes with all the replacements you need, and even something that I think I was like super surprised when I saw it. So let's actually dive on a closer look. I'll show you how it works. You will have to do a minimum assemble. Everything is explained right here. It will take you probably no more than 10 minutes. So this was this thing that I was telling you before that got me super surprised. It actually comes with mineral filters. This is the first time that I've seen a water fountain for pets using these ones. By the way, it comes with a ton of this one, so you will replace them like every 2 or 3 months actually, and this is just fantastic. Okay, a closer look to the actual device. Right now, it's not pouring water because it's oxygenating the water because of the button that I clicked before. So whenever this one finished, it will start doing the cycle right here, which I'm going to show you in a few seconds. But now it's oxygenating the water. And also right here, you're going to have your waste tank. So this is going to be for the wastewater. That is really good because you're going to have some food, some saliva, some cat hair. Everything is going to be on the wastewater when you put that to cleaning mode. And right here, you're going to find your indicator, which is going to be for the tanks, for the Wi-Fi, and also for the waste tank as well. A little bit of the app right here. You can turn it on and off. You can put it in night mode. It has a UV light inside, so that is really good. But in night mode, it will turn off the lights. You can do the drain. You can do the oxygenating. Now it's oxygenating. You can refill the water or tell you when you will have to refill the water. You can sterilize the water just like this one with the UV light. And you can put the change daily mode. The app is really intuitive and super easy to use. It uses 2.4 hertz Wi-Fi. So remember that, but it's super easy to connect. And now I'm going to stop the oxygenating. I'm going to put the fountain. Once that I put the fountain, you can see how the cycle actually starts with this one. So you will have one recipient right here for one cat, one for another one, and one for another one. In the end, the water will go all the way to the all the way to Minnie, come on. Okay. Well, I was just telling you that in the end, the water will stay always clean, always flowing. You have about 338 ounces. You have the dual containers. You have plenty of space for all your cats or just that one cat to drink from everywhere. You can oxygenate the water. You can sterilize the water. You can have all the wastewater right there with all the saliva, food, and pet hair and all that. And of course, just a minimum assemble to get this one going with the Wi-Fi and with the app. Super convenient to use. Really, really reliable in terms of making your cats to drink more water. And of course, it works super good. And it's also really cool just to have it in your home for all your furry friends.